now, so go ahead and see if it's there. Again, go to the uploads, where it says uploads in the top left there. Change that to live feed. The first caveat that I want to kind of explain is that these videos, even though they look like they are uploaded, even though they look like it goes really fast, it takes forever for them to actually upload to their server. So their Autodesk Stream or Screencast server is brutal. It just takes forever. Yeah. You're going to do the contact set, so it's okay. When we do the part 2 of that video, I'll show you. So go ahead and go to the stream. I want to get that done so the people that are sitting around twiddling their thumbs can actually do what they need to do. Go to the stream, go to the stream, go to the stream so you don't miss out on what this is. Again, you gotta go to the videos, you gotta change the live stream, refresh, refresh, refresh. It should be there. There should go. Okay, so here we go. The first thing I want to talk about is the actual program and where to find it. So, if I take this off here, you're gonna see that most of you guys have it on your, whoops, don't want to put that on there. Don't want to put anything else on this computer because there's a lot of random programs that we don't need, but this one's pretty good. So Screencast Recorder is already downloaded on your desktop. You should see a little green S, and if you don't, let me know and we'll go through that individually, but I think everybody should have it. You can double click this. It'll then bring open basically this I don't know what you call it, a window, special window. And what it's going to do is it's going to allow you to screencast, which basically means to record everything that you guys see inside of, why is that all funky? There we go. Record everything that's in your screen. So I'm going to bring up an example like Fusion, right? So say you guys have your animations, you guys have everything that you need. Let's go back to IED. I'll bring open the snail cam animation that I have, right? So if I bust that open, you're going to see that you can animate it. You can do whatever you need to do like you guys have already set up to do. And the trick is to show that. So I know that you guys, if you look at just straight isometric, it doesn't look as pretty and you can't see it as well. So I recommend like kind of rotating it down and zooming in a little bit. Once you do that, then you should be able to do everything that we talked about through here. Have your screencast open. Basically allow it to show it over in the right screen. It'll disappear by itself before you do anything. Go over to and press record first. Don't show again. You can press ignore and it'll, don't worry about it. Basically go over to your joints. It's recording now. You'll see the red around your piece. Right click around the revolve. Animate the model. Allow me to see this so that I can see that your part is working. If this jumps at the top on the snail cam, it's okay. If it disappears, it's okay. Don't worry about it so much. Just give me a rotation or two and then press stop, not pause. Basically, pause will just allow you to pause that thing and do whatever you need to do and then press play again to start recording throughout the same recording. So you want stop, and then you're going to see down here in the bottom left corner, you're going to see save and upload. So when you press save and upload, you have to fill all this stuff out. It's kind of a pain in the butt. So you're going to do snail animation, and then you have to select the drop down. Make sure it's anyone so that I can see the video. Put in anything you want in there. It just has to have some kind of description. Obviously leave it under English, beginner, 3D modeling. It really doesn't matter what you put in here. I am not going to include any audio recorded from a microphone. You press upload. Now it seems, like I said, that this thing is going to go relatively fast, but it's not. When it does this, it'll say processing, and then it'll say uploading. It's like, oh, okay, my whole entire video is done and uploaded, which logically it should be. But what happens is from here it goes on to basically this cloud system, and it takes a while because a lot of people are trying to upload at the same time, not just here, but in the country, actually in the world. So it'll say when you're done, it'll say, congrats, screencast uploaded, view and customize. Another big flaw is they don't have the overlay here. This is actually a hyperlink. If you click the blue, it'll bring open this screen. And in my case, I'm already signed in, I believe. We'll see if I am or not. I'm not sure. I'm not. Good. So up here, once you guys see it here, the sign in is right here. make sure you guys sign in to your own account. Once you're signed in, it'll say your name up here. Drop that down and go to My Dashboard. My Dashboard will show all your recordings that you've ever taken, and whether they're pending or whether they're completed and ready to go. The one I just did, which is never going to happen, this is crazy, but the one I just, nope, it's still not even up there, good. So you might see how your file is not even there. It says February 8th, it's February 11th. So it should have shown up and it should say February 11th, 2019, snail cam animation. Obviously I've been training this for a while and showing people how to do this for a couple days now. So yours is going to say in red lettering right here, pending. I'm trying to get it to show so that you guys can see what that looks like. Let's see if it works. It's not going to show us. But what it'll say is snail cam animation. It'll say pending right here. If it says pending or if it says uploading, it will not allow you to download the MP4 file. Okay? You got to wait until it shows up here and that pending goes away to look like mine does right here. Okay, so I pre-downloaded this so it would work. You go to these three dots, you say download screencast video, it'll say download MP4, it'll pop up down here, and basically from there you drag and drop that MP4 into Google Classroom 4 different times. Okay, now the question always arises, can I take one giant screencast recording of all 4 animated? I don't care. Okay. Just realize that it'll be like a two and a half minute video, probably something like that, for you guys to go jumping back and forth to each one of the different animations. It's totally up to you. I don't care. And it'll also take a long time to upload, which is why I'm not giving you guys a due date, because I know some of you guys it's going to take, I'm not exaggerating, like 12 hours for this thing to upload. It sounds ridiculous, but that's the way it rolls. Okay? Do we have any questions on what the actual uploading process is? Are we good? Okay, so that's the first thing I want you guys to do. Go ahead and